Morning, morning, YouTube. Buenos dias. Hello, hello, everyone. How are ya? Morning, morning. Okay, so like always, you guys have what I'm looking to trade today on my Discord. The link is down below. Important level for today on SPY the Q is yesterday high. Yesterday high. Amazon clean 225 reaction. Let's see if Apple can hold 236. Nvidia, I want to see Nvidia going to yesterday's high. That will be pretty good for us if we want to trade the upside continuation on Nvidia. What I like right now is this Q hold of yesterday high. Holding the VWAP also. Do we have any data today at 10 or 9:45? At 10? What do we have today? Okay, let's see. Today's Thursday. Home builders, that, yeah, it could be data to wait for. Home builders confident. Yeah. When is the next FOMC? Oh no, this is not to... What? This is the 16th. Why is this showing me the 10th? Okay, here. Yeah, home builders. Yeah. Home builders confidence. Yeah. Nice hold on Nvidia. Apple looking a little bit weak. Amazon looking a little bit weak. SPY looking a little bit weak here. It's right at this downtrend here. Oopsie. So SPY needs to break this downtrend line for me to really be bullish on the market. It's right there, fighting that downtrend, fighting yesterday high too. Yeah, so SPY and the Q are rejecting yesterday high. And the downtrend. I think the Q also has a downtrend here. Yes. Yeah. So we have these two here on the Q. just like SPY, we can say. Maybe like this, maybe like that. And both have gaps below from yesterday's gap up move because of data, so we have all these gap here. Okay, with Nvidia again, if it goes down to yesterday high, I'm gonna watch yesterday high on Nvidia for possible play to the upside, but it needs to hold yesterday high at support, and also I want to see the market holding. IWM, yesterday's low also, big watch for me, because it has a big gap below and it's been a little bit weak compared to the SPY and the Q. Any chart you guys are looking forward to trade today? Anything that looks good? I'm looking for 236 on Apple. Looking at Tesla. What are you looking at Tesla? Yeah, the price action is not looking good. Nvidia, okay, Nvidia is about to be at yesterday's high. That's very important for Nvidia here. If Nvidia cannot hold here, it's not bullish, to be honest. IWM, very clean VWAP rejection. Apple, I think it's gonna stop me out. Nice Nvidia hold there. Everything is looking pretty weak so far. Watch Palantir. What am I gonna watch on Palantir? Cutting the loss on Apple? Not yet. I'm waiting to see what the market is gonna do. Yes, Apple is looking weak, but I'm waiting to see what the market is gonna do. Anyone got that bounce on Nvidia? That was fast. But that was perfect reaction out of yesterday high. That was the entry, guys. If you wanted to trade Nvidia, that was the entry. And watch out for IWM VWAP rejection. Yeah, Apple is very weak today. I don't know why. Did Apple got downgraded or something? Let's see. Oh, I got bad news from China. Yep, got bad news from China. I know news have been killing me with the small account challenge with snow. I don't know how many trade I've taken on that that account, but snow, it was bad news. And what else? I took another one, I think. Oh, CRM also. Both the snow and CRM got downgraded. TSM, I'm not trading TSM today because TSM had earnings yesterday. So whenever a stock has earning, I let it kind of consolidate or do its thing for at least a day or two. So I'm not touching TSM today. Maybe next week. Maybe, but not today. Let's see if Nvidia is gonna break the VWAP here. That could be another good entry to play the upside continuation. The market still had no clear direction, even though it's looking more bearish than bullish. With the 10 a.m. news, that could change, so I'm waiting for that. Anyone got that IWM VWAP reaction? That was extremely clean, guys. Okay, Nvidia VWAP. Amazon also fighting the VWAP here. Let's see if Apple can go back above 236. Even though that 30-minute candle is looking no bueno. It has a little gap below yesterday's low, so it could go for that gap, but we'll see. I'm waiting for Tesla to really break 430. That will be my entry on Tesla, 430. So far, it's not even near 430. In fact, it looks like it wants to pull back more, maybe go to 400 again. 360 and 430 are the two levels that I want to trade on Tesla. IWM, let's see if IWM is gonna go for the gap. Needs to lose yesterday's low. I'm in this IWM trade here. No, I'm not selling anything on Tesla. How is the IV? If the IV is pretty high, it might be worth it. Let's see the IV for next week. Oh no, it's very low, 55%. Yeah, no. Okay, so we got data. I'm looking for IWM to fill the gap below. Needs to lose yesterday's low, which is what it is pretty much right now. 223. Yeah, it's around 223. Okay, so the market is pretty weak right now. And Apple is trying to bounce here. Nvidia is still trying to hold yesterday high as support. Let's see, 136 will be the level. Nvidia still really holding here, which is pretty good. It's pretty bullish. That's another possible entry with a stop loss around 136. TSM, this 212 213 level of support, it could be our entry here on TSM, even though I'm not looking to trade TSM, but that would be a level to look maybe tomorrow or next week. Anything above 200 I think is worth selling premium, but I like when I sell premium, like on Tesla, DJT, Nvidia, I always look for like very high IV. Like when pre-elections DJT had a 600% premium or 400% premium, I was like, yeah, I'm definitely selling premium on this one. So I don't have like a percentage that I look to trade premium. I just, if I see a premium that is very high and you can sell like way out of the money contracts, that's what I like selling. Like I need contracts that it can be very expensive, way out of the money, like impossible for, let's just say Tesla right now, right? So if I want to sell premium Tesla, I want to see very high premium, and I want to sell, I don't know, like above 500, something like crazy out of the money, so I can for sure know that Tesla is not gonna go there this week or next week, or I don't know, 550, like crazy out of the money. Because but you can only do that when premium is really, really high. Like again with DJT, I sold, let me look for what I sold, exactly what I sold on DJT on elections. I think it was 400% up. The IV 400%, or no, 600. It is crazy risky, but yeah, I look for crazy out of the money contracts. Yeah, it was 640. Premium was 640. So yeah, it was 640. The IV was 640, and I was selling 30 puts for the next week. And that was, let me check, DJT, how was the chart looking at that time? So I was selling puts because I was very sure that Trump, it was gonna win. So that's why I sold puts, because Trump winning, that means DJT was gonna go higher, most likely. And that was on November 1st. Yeah, so on November 1st, DJT was going down. So DJT going down, that means premium on puts was higher, right, than calls. So yeah, it was November 1st, so it was this day. DJT was going lower, premium was crazy, 640. And at that time, DJT was around, before it was at 359. So before the market closed, so it was around 30, right? So I sold pretty much in the money puts, or at the money puts, expecting for the market to do this, to gap up with Trump winning elections. Yeah. So that was pretty risky. Now that I'm looking back at this trade, it was pretty risky because it was pretty much at the money. But I was very confident on Trump winning. So now, if I want to sell premium on DJT right now, I will go. Let's see first how is the IV. I have calls, and I remember that those calls were, it had like 190% IV or 200. I don't remember. I took it here with you guys on the stream. But let's see how right now is 183% IV. So let's just say I want to, for next week, let's just say I want to sell premium on this one, right? So right now it's at 40 bucks. And oh, I got a stop out on this play on IWM. But I think we're getting another possible good entry because it's right at the VWAP. If can reject the VWAP, that's another good entry, possible good entry. But yeah, so if I wanted to sell premium here, I don't think premium is worth it because I will go for crazy out of the money. Just looking at the chart, my crazy out of the money will be 60, or let me see, yeah, 55 or 60, because this is the all-time high. Oh no, it's not all-time high, but it's the next big resistance, right? So I want to trade, I want to sell premium above the next big resistance that I see way out of the money. So it will be 60 if I want to sell premium here. 60. And I will sell calls because it's going higher right now. So calls premiums are most likely are higher than puts. So I will sell 60, but looking right now at the 60 calls, yeah, it has like 215 IV. It's 215% IV, a little bit around above 215. So it could be a good play also. Yeah, 215 I will say is good. Good high IV. I would prefer to have like 400 or 300 IV. But yeah, so that's how I do it. So I look at the chart and I see, okay, the next big resistance is around 56, 55. Do I think can go to next week on the inauguration to 56, 55? Maybe. But so that's why I go above a big resistance. So it will be 60 or 65. And those contracts had, the 60 has 215 IV, and the 65 it have 231, so it had even higher IV. But the contracts are pretty cheap, so is it worth it? I don't think so. I don't know. Maybe if you have a big account and you can sell more than one contract, yes. But let's just say if I want to sell just if I just want to sell one contract with 232% IV, that will be the 65, but it's only 77 bucks or 70 bucks. I don't think it's really worth it for 70 bucks. So I want to sell something that is expensive, like Tesla or something else. Because if I'm risking my money, I want to put my money at risk only if I could get a big return. I'm gonna try this IWM reaction on the VWAP again. My stop loss is gonna be if it can hold the VWAP as support. Man, this Apple, I don't like this Apple move. I definitely don't like this Apple move. I honestly don't know if I want to keep holding this one or for the gap fill below and see if it's really gonna hold there or not. So if you guys are on Apple, you make your own decision. I'm gonna keep holding. This is down. Definitely, obviously it's down already. But I definitely don't like it. So this is what I'm looking on Apple. Perfect. Now, what's going on here? Yeah, I had this gap here. So, I have contract for next week. It's not the best decision to make. I don't think this is not a good management of this trade, but I'm gonna wait for this gap. Yeah, I wasn't expecting this move also on Apple, but it had bad news. We had China's bad news. Okay, Nvidia. It's right at yesterday high. Needs to hold here. The market's definitely not looking bullish. Microsoft is holding pretty good. It's doing nothing, but it's holding. I don't have a target. I'm looking for the gap fill, but I don't have a target. Market is looking weak, but let's see if we have continuation to the downside. Nvidia still really nice hold of yesterday high, which is bullish. IWN really fighting yesterday's low. I want to see it losing that level. That would make it die and go for the gap. And I don't like how it's behind the queue. Like, definitely have a downtrend here, rejecting the VWAP, but the downtrend is very choppy. Apple is non-stop going lower. IWM right at the VWAP. Let's see if it's gonna react here again. Okay, I got stop out there. Oopsie. What are you guys what prop firms are you guys using to trade futures? My favorite right now is Tradeify and my funded futures. Apex and Top Step. Fidmo? What's I don't even know what's that. I found the features and Apex. I'm kinda testing take profits. Take profits trader. I'd love that with Tradeify we can just buy straight to funded accounts. I don't buy evals on Tradeify. You can buy a bunch of evals on Apex and everything else. Apex and my funded futures. You can deal with the Apex trailing drawdown. Why? That means you're trading with too much size. If you cannot deal with the intraday drawdown. It's not like you're getting wicked out with trailing drawdown. It means you guys are trading with too much size. If you're only trading with one mini, trailing drawdown shouldn't be a problem. IWM is refusing to go lower. Let's see if the Q can break the VWAP. That could be our entry, like break it and hold it as support. That could be our entry to do a little scalp to the upside. IWM is going above and below the VWAP, so that means it's choppy. It has no clear direction. Okay, Apple, moment of truth. It's right at support. This is a level that I'm looking on Apple. If it can hold this level, it's good. If it cannot hold this level, it's dead. At least to me. Fill the gap. Let's see if it's gonna hold here. Another choppy, slow day here in the markets. This is a market that, looking this chart, I don't feel comfortable playing the upside or the downside, at least right now, because yes, it's bearish, but look at this move here. It's having a lot of trouble going lower. Man, that news really killed my trade on Apple. I'm having no luck with options this year. Every single option that I took so far this year, it's been dead because of news. I'm doing pretty good with futures so far, but not with options. But that's what happens when you trade options on a choppy market. I've only taken like, I don't know, like four, maybe 5 trades this year, options trade this year, but they pretty much all been dead. Hey, morning. I don't know if it is a good morning. Yeah, I have a lot of problem getting out of a trade if it is going against me when it's based on news. If it is just technicals, I'm okay, because that means I'm wrong. But if it is based on news, because I've seen how in the past we have a bad news and then the next day or the next few days it just goes back to where it was before the news. So I think that's why I have problems with getting out of my options trades when I have news that is go against my trade, like Apple right now. And because I have for next week, that's why I'm holding. Do I think that's a good way of trading? Not really. I don't like doing this. But again, I've seen so many times in the past how we have bad news and then it goes down, and in the next few days it goes just back above my level. So that's why you guys cannot follow blindly anyone. Apple needs to hold here, what it is right now. It's just dead. Keeps printing red candle after red candle. Should I hold the Apple's win? What I just said. You need to make your own decision. It's up to you, not up to me. IWM, nice hold of yesterday's low, could not break that level, and now is giving us a great bounce here. Nice VWAP hold, but I don't trust anything right now. If anything, I like more to play the upside if SPY or the Q can break the VWAP and use it as support, because this downtrend is crazy choppy and slow. So if you got a good trade today, you should be getting out of here. Crazy choppy, very slow. $232 on Apple. That's the level I need to hold. It needs to hold above 232. If cannot hold there, it's definitely gonna go to 220, 230. Come on, market, just give me at least one good trade today. Okay, it's looking to hold 232. Let's see if we can at least see Apple bouncing to the VWAP. I definitely like what Nvidia is doing. It's consolidating at support. I do like that hold on Nvidia, but the thing is, like, I don't know if I want to trade the upside here on this market with a big gap below on SPY and the Q. Again, if I see this band the Q holding the view of a support, I'm gonna go for a quick bounce and be done for the day. Because I can see how Spandex you're having a lot of trouble continuing this downtrend. Oh, that's good, Anthony. That's pretty good. Yeah, you should be definitely out of here. Oh, you too. Thank you, you too. I'm so tired of this messy price action that we had for like, I don't know, a month and a half, 2 months. It's getting crazy. It's really testing our patience. Another VWAP reaction. Or are we gonna break this little support here? Same thing with SPY. We have Microsoft and Amazon not doing anything. Maybe the market just pretty weak because of Apple only. Google is also not doing anything. It's holding pretty good. Let's see what Meta is doing. Also nothing. Holding pretty good. So it's all Apple. Tesla is also pretty weak. Yeah, I'm feeling like getting out of here and going to a gym earlier today. I just want one trade, one quick scalp with futures and be done, but I also don't want to force anything. So I'm kind of waiting for a SPY or the Q to break the VWAP to play a little upside move and then be done. Just because it's holding so much here. I haven't gone to any other tournament, but it's been pretty good. Like I have Pickleball today. I've been playing like 3-4 times per week, like 3 hours, almost 4 hours sometimes. I love it. I love it. How many contracts? It depends of the account size. And also it depends how much I like the chart. But I think I'm gonna go to a tournament next month. Maybe next month, I don't know, because I'm traveling. I have 2 travels next month, so I don't know if I'll be able to really practice. And because I'm a little bit rusty, I didn't play too much on December. So, yeah, maybe next month. But yeah, I love it. I love playing pickleball. And Apple, it looks like it wants to go to 230, 228. Nvidia also starting to look weak. If cannot hold 136, it's definitely done so. Any of you play pickleball? Okay. What was that candle? Okay. We're moving down a little bit faster, but still at support. Amazon looks like it wants to break down. Same thing with Nvidia. Amazon kind of looks like a bear flag. Skateboard. Hockey looks like a very aggressive sport, but it looks fun to watch. I've been playing pretty much everything my entire life, but mainly tennis. And I started to play pickleball because I just wanted to meet people, and I saw how pickleball was growing everywhere and everyone was just playing, and it looked pretty fun, and it's very easy to find people to play, right? Like here in Miami, there's a bunch of like free public pickleball courts that you just can go there, and then you just put your paddle on the left, and then you just go and play. You don't need to find partners to play pickleball. You can just go to any public park and just meet new people and hang around there, and it's just pretty fun. Okay, another bounce here. Nvidia, another bounce out of the 136 level. I don't like how the market just holding here, doing nothing. It definitely could be just a bear flag, but I don't like it. I can't wait for this month to be done already. I hate how the market is moving. Crazy choppy. No clear trend. Very fakey. Bunch of data, news. I was definitely not expecting these to start the 2025 like this. I thought it was just gonna be December because of the holidays, and the holidays being in the middle of the week, but we're not getting any good setups this month so far. Yeah, you're right. 6,000 rejection on ES was clean. I'm gonna give it like 6 more minutes till, because at 11, if I don't see like the market doing anything, just holding here, I'm gonna be done. I'm just gonna put alerts above, a little bit above the VWAP and at yesterday's low, because if SPY cannot hold yesterday's low, I'll be looking to play a reaction there. Or if SPY can break the VWAP and hold it as support, I'm gonna look to play a bounce there. So, but yeah, I'm gonna be here for 5 more minutes. If the market doesn't do anything, I'm leaving. Any good TV show you guys have? I need a new one. There's a bunch of new and good shows, but I don't know what to watch. I was kind of watching Penguin, but I don't know why I stopped watching it. Arcane, but that's like cartoons, right? Yeah, I honestly watch Rotten Mango all day, every day, but I got to a point that I don't have anything new to watch on that channel. Income Lawyer, I heard it's pretty good. Oh, I need to watch this one. She posted a new one yesterday. So that's what I'm gonna do when I finish the stream. Yep. Yeah, this one. This one is new. She posted yesterday, so that's what I'm gonna watch. Squid Games, I honestly did not like. I find it extremely boring. The second season. I did watch it and I finished it also, but I don't know. I didn't like it. I think Squid Game was really good just with one season and be done. Yeah, I love K-dramas. I'm rewatching Marry My Husband. I think that is one of the best K-dramas out there. Because I didn't have anything new to watch and just rewatching Marry My Husband. And it's so good. So good. Okay, let's see if we're gonna hold here. Or if it is another reaction. Nvidia, I really like this Nvidia 136 hold. But I don't know if I want to trade any options today. Yeah, Marry My Husband is so good. It's on Amazon Prime. I was definitely expecting a move like this because the market is having a lot of trouble keep going to a downside. Oh, Shogun is also on that list that I need. Yeah, I definitely need to watch that one. Yeah, it looks pretty good. And it's been winning every single award this season. I think that's the next one that I'm gonna watch. Okay, come on, SPY, but just stop there. Not so much. I needed you to break the VWAP, but not too much. Okay, so now the next candle, I want to see a little red candle or a pullback here. And that will be my entry, either on SPY or the Q. I'm a little bit lower. Go a little bit lower. Need to go lower. Okay, I'm going long on the Q here. Let's see if it's really gonna hold the view up. Okay. Look pretty good so far. I'm gonna sell one just because I don't trust this market. Let's see if we can have a move to this week or maybe morning high. This is the very typical move that the market had last year. We had pullbacks and then the market could not keep going higher and we saw consolidation there and then turning around. I remember talking about this type of move last year. I think it was during October, September. Yeah. You don't need to go to the 1 minute time frame to see that. You can clearly see it here. Like, doesn't matter what time frame you're looking, levels are everywhere. Levels V11ing. Nice push on Amazon. I want to see Amazon back to 225, 226. Nvidia also nice hold. Come on. Yes, almost at 6K. Give me 1 second. I cannot see any other chart right now. Bum, bum. Come on, break that. Keep going. Keep going. Break it. Keep going. I'm out. I'm happy with this trade. I'm out. I'm out. I'm out. Could definitely keep going higher, but again, I don't trust anything in this market. I do like Nvidia. I'm gonna go with Nvidia next week. My stop loss is gonna be 136. It's not a big position. I like this. I really like this chart. I think as long as Nvidia keeps holding 136, it's pretty bullish. My PT will be around 140. This is what I'm looking on Nvidia. It is a risky trade because I don't like how the market has a gap below. Okay, so this is what I'm looking on Nvidia. Let's put it a little bit bigger. Nvidia daily chart. It's holding here previous day high, which is technically bullish. So as long as Nvidia keeps holding this support, I'm looking for more upside here. Yeah, and my next PT is 140, and if it can break 140, I will say we can see more upside. It has a lot of weird price action here, so it can have a rejection at 144 or 145 or even 146 or 148. We'll see. But yeah, the level that I'm watching on Nvidia is 136. If Nvidia keeps holding here, I'm bullish on Nvidia. And I'm done for today, guys. Nice little trade here. The market looks like it wants some more. We could see today's high retest. If SPY and the Q can hold today's high support, that definitely will be very bullish, and we most likely will see more upside. Still holding Amazon also, and Apple, which is way down. But I'm still holding Apple. And yeah, I'm done for today. It's pretty boring market. Well, we took 2 trades today, right? 1, 2 trade. This one was pretty clean. Look at the market. Watch out for today's high here. I still need to trade on other accounts, but these ones are green, beautiful green, and I'm done with this. So I'll see you guys on Monday, hopefully. Oh no, I think Monday is closed, right? Monday is closed. So I'll see you guys mañana because Monday is closed. I'll see you guys mañana. Remember to like the video. Like, it's free. Liking the video is free. See you guys mañana. Bye.